Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, Mitri Siaga, says he's hoping the government won't have to put taxes on sugary beverages. Mr. Siaga was speaking after a tour of beverage manufacturer Spike Industries earlier today. Dashan Hendricks reports.
It's been 4 months now since manufacturers were warned to cut the sugar content in beverages or face a tax to force compliance as the government pushes to reduce the impact of high sugar diets in Jamaica. But President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, Mitri Siaga, says his group is now part of the discussions and is hoping a beverage tax will not be implemented.
We feel that the best way to achieve success in this era, and success would mean having Jamaicans drink or eat less sugar. We feel the most effective way to go about that is through collaboration, through discussions with the industry, getting the players in the industry to understand that they need to reformulate, they need to relabel. They are the ones that need to bring the sugar content down. Doing it through a tax is going to end up being simply that, a tax on the people who can least afford it.
But manufacturers have so far started to comply. CEO of Spike Industries, Ian Tomlinson, said his company, which produces a range of beverages, has already cut the amount of sugar in its products by 30%. He said Spike Industries is also working with other manufacturers to do the same.
We set aside with our quality department and research team to start to look to reduce the sugar in our products. As a matter of fact, we have so far done about 25 to 30% reduction in sugar in a lot of the products. One of the things that we have also done is look into other territories that have these issues with sugar and are taxing sugar to understand what the policy is surrounding sugar and understand where that benchmark is, where it is acceptable. And that's what we have started to look at and working very hard to reduce the sugar right across all the products inside the portfolio.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.32. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.32. The pound sterling is going for $176.48, while the euro costs $154.85. Knutsford Express says its profit fell 31% in the third quarter ending February 28. The transport company said the lower profit resulted from higher fuel, salary and toll costs. Despite lower profits in its third quarter, Knutsford Express said over the longer 9-month period, its profit is up $128 million. The JSE index lost more than 2,400 points today, while the junior market index gained 39. The winners of the day included AMG Packaging and Paper, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Fosrich, JMMB Group, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. Now on the losing end were 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Dolphin Cove, ISP Finance, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial, Sagicor Group, and Wisinco Group. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.